Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have a Google Pay rewards code, Flipkart installed and logged in, and your payment method ready. Open Google Pay, locate the rewards code, and copy it exactly. This matters because codes are case-sensitive. Once done, switch to the Flipkart app, pick your items, and go to the cart. Make sure the cart meets any minimum order or product restrictions the code requires before proceeding to checkout. This prevents surprises at redemption. At checkout, tap Payment or Offers. Look for the promo or coupon field and paste the Google Pay rewards code there. Press Apply. Watch the order summary to confirm the discount appears and that taxes or shipping update accordingly. If the field isn't visible, choose the alternate payment flow or tap Change Payment Method to reveal offers. Keep an eye on any message about ineligible items. Removing one incompatible item can make the entire order eligible, so edit your cart rather than abandoning the process. Finish by selecting the payment method, verifying the adjusted total, and confirming the order. Save the receipt or screenshot for records. If the code fails, recheck expiry, minimum order value, and specific product exclusions. Codes often exclude certain categories. Make sure you pasted the code correctly. Copy-paste avoids typos. If none of this works, contact Flipkart support with your order ID and a screenshot of the applied code attempt. That single troubleshooting step usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.